My name is Gavin Mills and I'm the General Sales Manager here at Hawboldt Industries in Chester, Nova Scotia. Hawboldt's been around since 1906. This is a new location here for us, but we've always been in the Chester area. And we started out supporting the fishing industry as it moved from sail to engine-based fishing vessels. And we've supplied a number of different pieces of equipment throughout the years. One of those pieces of equipment that does persist is our manufacture of propellers for the fishing industry. So we have a foundry here and we also machine the propellers. Hawboldt also manufactures now marine cranes, and we started to make those about 10 years ago. They started off as a simple crane, fixed boom, small. We've continued to evolve that, especially with the help of the NSS program. And as you can see behind us here, we have one of our largest cranes built to date, and it's for aids to navigation, buoy tending for the Canadian Coast Guard, which allows them to keep the waterways safe for passing vessels. This crane in particular is going to be shipped out west to be installed on the Coast Guard Grenfell vessel very soon and should be in active duty next year.
Hi, I'm Colin Gillis. I'm the Program Manager here at Hawboldt Industries for the National Shipbuilding Strategy. The National Shipbuilding Strategy, the NSS, has really been a milestone that we've been able to build off of, not only today, but we see it as a future, and we've been already seeing its benefits of competing internationally and more global markets. First being involved about 10 years ago in the preliminary designs, we competitively bid and won the offshore fisheries science vessel built with C-SPAN, and we were able to really leverage that into new markets. So traditionally you treated equipment as individual pieces. When we did this vessel, we realized we're more than that. We're a single system integrator, having all of these pieces work together and building a more sophisticated vessel and a competitive skill set here at Hawboldt that we can transition globally. So through that, we first delivered the offshore fisheries science vessels. Now we're part of the Joint Supply Ship and the offshore oceanographic science vessel for the Canadian Coast Guard with C-SPAN, and taking that technology and supporting Irving here on AOPS and the future Coast Guard variants of AOPS 7 and 8. Behind us here is a piece of equipment that we designed, built, and tested here. It's a boat handling crane for rescue boats and cargo that'll be on the Joint Supply Ship. And this is actually an example of our innovation engineering program here that we have. We designed not only the crane, but a new personnel rated hoist. And this is a unique offering that isn't really out in the market. So it's a new product to us. It's a product that's getting attention globally, and it's going to be on those vessels.
My name is Kaylee. I'm an innovation engineer here at Hawboldt, and I started back in May following my graduation. I work on new product development as well as standard products, as well as doing research into new products that we can purchase and integrate into our equipment. So I went to Dalhousie to get my Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering, and I did the co-op program. I did 3 of my co-ops here at Hawboldt, and I worked in the innovation team and was lucky enough to be offered a full-time position following my graduation. The co-op program is, I think, a very important part of my education because I got that practical and hands-on side of engineering before graduating, and it also gives you a really good reference. So having a job secured before graduation was a giant relief. It meant that I had job security and I was going to a place where I already knew everyone and I was already integrated into the company. So here at Hawboldt, we're proud to be part of Ships for Canada, building equipment, and it is job security and part of our future.